I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're signed into the Google account you want to use. This avoids permission prompts. Once signed in, tap or click the shared photos link you received. If the link opens in a browser and asks to choose an app, make sure to select Google Photos or continue in the browser for viewing. Make sure to allow pop-ups or redirects for the site because Google often uses them for access. If you see a permission request, grant view access to continue. Once the link loads, verify the account shown at the top. If it's the wrong profile, switch accounts right away so you can access the shared items. If the link lands you inside the Google Photos app, use the back or menu to find the Shared tab where links and albums appear. When viewing photos, pinch to zoom and swipe to move between items. Press the three-dot menu to see details, download, or add to your library. Make sure to use the dedicated icons for quick to finish. Save anything you want by tapping Save or use Download to store files locally. You can also add to album to organize immediately. If you need others to view the same content, use Share and pick recipients or copy the link. Once done, confirm items appear in your library or album. If you can't open the link, make sure you're in the correct Google account, check whether the link expired or was revoked, and update the Google Photos app before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.